Ricardo's from a cover page, and I'll be taking you through operation in your Zoom browser. First, we want to look at virtual background. To get to your virtual background, you simply move on to your video icon. You're going to click that up button there. Then you're going to be choosing choose virtual background. Having clicked on the virtual background, a new window will open. This is your new window. It might be open in general. If it is in general, you're going to move on down, video, audio, share screen, chat, virtual background. Once you're in virtual background, a screen like this will appear. You are able to select from among the photos here to be your virtual background. It might also be in none, and that is pretty much how most screen would have looked. But we don't want our meetings to look like this anymore. We want to ensure that we have our privacy. So you're just going to select a background, a virtual background that fits your need. If there's no photo on your computer, you could easily go to your pictures and get a picture from your picture catalog to put in so you can use as your virtual background. So what you do is just pretty much go across, click this plus sign, pictures will come up, and from there you can use one of the picture from your stock. So that's it for doing your virtual screen. Virtual screen has been selected now. What will happen thereafter, once you are in your meeting, no one will be able to see the inside of your house or office. They'll be seeing the virtual background as you are seeing on your screen now. So you can pretty much mute the video. The video is muted now. I'm going to be showing you something else. I want to show you how to do your chat. So the chat icon is right here. You're going to click on the chat icon. Chat icon is up. You can choose to type something there and click enter, and it is there. So here you're sharing with everyone, but if there was many persons in the meeting and you wanted to share with an individual, you could select on that individual and the message would go privately to that individual. So that's it for messages. I want to also bring you up to speed with mute. Usually getting into a meeting and your mic is on, it can create some amount of disturbance. In order to get rid of that, what you do, you're going to keep your mic muted. Once you need to speak in the meeting, you are just going to hold down your space bar and speak. And once you release the space bar, then the mic will be muted again. So no worry now about forgetting the mic on. So that's it for mute. For mute, all you need to do is to press the space bar. I'm going to take you to something new. In the meeting, you might want to raise your hand. Raise your hand for some reason. You move on over to this icon here that says reaction, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to choose an emoji, and it will be on the screen. All right, good. So that's for raising your hand in the meeting. You're going to use this reaction icon. You might want to share screen. Sharing screen allow you to show other persons in the meeting your screen. You're going to click on this green icon here, and then this page will come up, and you're going to select whichever screen you want to share, and you'll be able to share. So over here, one screen, here another screen, and then you're going to click share screen like I have done, and you will see I am in YouTube, the background of a website, so you are able to see what's on the other party's desktop. You might want to allow the other party to see your desktop. You click on this arrow right at the green screen here, share screen here, I'm sorry, and you are going to click on multiple parties, and that will allow other persons in the room to share their screens. So we have gone through virtual background to prevent persons from seeing inside of your residence or office. We have gone through chat, we have gone through share screen, and we have also used the emoji. Now remember, to mute your video at any time, you're just going to click on the video. To unmute, you're going to click on the video again, and to mute the mic, click. So it's all about clicks and clicks away. All right, I do hope that you have learned something from this presentation. I'm Ricardos. Peace out.